this is Robert Estrin at livingpianos.com. Amazingly, there are hundreds of free pianos available all over the country on websites like this. There are links in the description below you can check out for yourself. But there's much more than that. What about free piano lessons? There are so many resources online, it's unbelievable. You can check out what we have for you right here on Living Pianos videos. There is so much to consider here. The first question is if you can find an instrument for free that suits your needs, and if free video lessons are what you're after. Some people may prefer a good, inexpensive digital piano. Again, there are countless resources online. Some people may resort to Craigslist, but maybe you're after a high-level piano like a Steinway, but the prices have gotten out of reach for most people. So you may appreciate expertly restored American and European instruments from Living Pianos, top-tier instruments with free delivery anywhere in the continental United States. Aside from the thousands of free videos and articles on livingpianos.com, I teach private lessons to students all over the world. I was fortunate to grow up in a musical family. I also got to study with so many great pianists. So I enjoy sharing my passion for the piano. I started teaching the piano while still in high school, assisting my father with his teaching, as my sister did before me. I got into selling pianos after graduating from music conservatory. Many people who contacted me for lessons didn't have any pianos. So I made it my business to find good used pianos, which I had my piano technician put into good shape for them. There was such a demand for this sort of thing, and because of my extensive experience with pianos, people have come to rely upon me to help them with pianos ever since. Teaching has been a continuum in my career, which has so many facets, from performing to recording, as well as writing articles and making videos. So you can consider me your personal resource for information about pianos and piano lessons. Just email robert@livingpianos.com for a personalized response to help you. Thanks so much for joining me here at livingpianos.com, your online piano resource.